So it is Saturday morning. I'm going under scaffolding and I'm heading to the grocery store to stock up because grocery stores are closed here on Sunday. And so I have to plan ahead for my meals. So tonight I'm making chicken with orzo and tomatoes and green beans. And tomorrow I'm making chicken curry with rice. And at some point today making guacamole and getting some chips. So anyway, this is a quick trip to the grocery store. And this is our little neighborhood grocery store, Consum. And it says Hola, very inviting. We grab a cart and we are off. First, I always go to the bread. It's right over here. We get fresh bread every day, but on Saturday I get 2 loaves of bread. I like this Aldeana because it's a little crispy, 89 cents. And then I like the Rustica also. Y'all, I'm telling you that this is the best Greek yogurt in the world. Not getting any fish today, but always great fresh selection. So this is the produce, and I need to get about 6 different things. I need a little onion, and then we have to weigh everything. So I put it there. I hit 48, which is right there. It prints this. And I stick it on like that. I need a tomato for the guacamole, ginger there, and I need 1 lemon. That's number 67. I'm gonna have to weigh it. I also need 2 avocados for the guacamole, of course. Okay, here I'm weighing them. I gotta choose 54. I gotta find them. Is it vegetable or fruit? I don't even know. I guess it's fruit. Mas fruta, 54. Comes out here. Stick the label on it and bag it. Okay, I need a cilantro right here. And a thing of parsley. This is the smallest parsley that you get here in Spain. I also need a thing of these fresh hot chilies that are grown here. And I need this thing of green beans, which are called judías here. Judías. Oops, and I almost forgot the butter. Let's see, butter's over here. I like this yellow butter from Asturias, which is in the northern part of Spain. It's good, creamy, salty. And now I need to get 2 big fat chicken breasts. I like these. And then I need to get some chicken thighs, boneless, skinless. That's contramuslos deshuesados. That's that. Chicken thighs. And I usually get eggs here. And I usually get meats and cheeses over here. But I do need wine. And I tell you, wines are fairly cheap, as you can see. And I'm looking for the guy with a top hat because that's the red wine that I like. And it's, here he is. And it's only $2.95. I love it. And we also need a white, and I like this Castillo de Liria, and it's only $3.40. And I've mentioned before that they love their tinned fish and tinned clams and tinned mussels and tinned everything. But I need 550 grams of tomate frito, which is fried tomatoes, and I need some concentrate, which is right here. And Consum brand, which is a store I'm in, right here. Tomate frito for 90 cents. I'll take it. One other thing I've got to show you is the olive oils are so inexpensive here. So this is the brand I get right here. And I don't need any, but this is what we get, extra virgin olive oil from Spain, and it's only a couple of euros a bottle. And I always love seeing the hams hanging up there. Big old pig legs. Tasty though. And then you can see ham is a huge thing here. And actually I'm gonna get some Jamón Iberico because it's really tasty. People eat it every day here. It's like a snack food. Of course, I need some olives. So these look good. Con hueso means it's with a pit. Hueso is actually a bone, so it's saying it has bone in it. But this is enough olives to last me a couple of days. The only other thing I need some ground almonds. So I think I'm gonna have to grind them myself, buy this pack. Oops, I need nachos. Oh, nachos are in the Mexican aisle. They actually have a Mexican aisle. It's actually about 5 ingredients right over here. Yeah, these Mission nachos down here, they are good, good, good. Okay, that's it. Now we're heading to the register. I usually go through self-service, but not today because I have too many things in the cart.
Voy enseguida.
Hola, sí, no hay problema. Mucha moneda. Aquí está. Mi tarjeta.
Perfecto.
Gracias. Y una bolsita, porque... Sí, por favor. He traído 2 y creo que no es bastante.
Te dejo por aquí.
Gracias. And then we have to bag our own. Okay, just put my cart away, and out we go with 3 bags of groceries. I love going to the grocery here. And now it's time to go home and make some guacamole.